Do you want to make money just by using your mobile phone while lying in bed? Well, you can make $370 doing minimal work. Yes, if you follow all the steps of the video until the end, I'm going to tell you about a website by which you can make money just by creating simple free images, and it will allow you to be able to earn hundreds of dollars. It is very easy to set up the process, and you don't need any special skills and be a master of technology or anything like that. You don't need to have any camera neither, and you will be able to create beautiful templates which people will buy from you. You need to be consistent so you can have similar results like other people are having. You won't become a millionaire doing this, but you will be able to get an extra income on the side. So if you like this type of strategy, please do me a massive favor by liking this video so you can be the first one to find out about new strategies coming up, and don't forget to turn on the notifications on so you don't miss out. And if you want to find out how you can make thousands of dollars per month, then click on the first link in the description and I will send you information to your email address on how you can start earning high ticket affiliate commissions. So without any more delay, let's get started with today's strategy. So the first website which I would like you to come to today for today's strategy is called adobe.com-express, and this website is what it was called before Adobe Spark. So it's a great website because it's actually going to allow you to make like beautiful graphics that you can use in different social media platforms, and they're going to do all the hard work for you. And then you're going to be able to add amazing effects, you're going to be able to remove backgrounds, add like so many different elements including music. You're going to be able to as well add your own voice. So this is actually very good because it's a very great software where it's going to allow you to create like quick landing pages which you're gonna be able to monetize. And if you stay watching until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to monetize it. But first of all, when you come to the platform, you can, as I said, you can come check it out, and then as well you're gonna be so many different features that you're gonna be able to benefit from, including resizing images, including removing backgrounds, as I said before. And as well you're gonna have like it's connected to Adobe Stock, so you're gonna be able to have access to different images. So once that you sign up, you click in sign up, and then once that you sign up, you will come to a landing page like this where you're gonna give you more features for you to actually go and check out. So you can see that you will be able to find so many different templates, Adobe Stock photos, graphics, backgrounds, Adobe fonts and icons. So if I press on continue, as well it will tell you that you will get access to some loyalty free images. And as you can like there are images that you cannot just take from Google. So the images that you're gonna get from here are images that you can use commercially and legally in any other website. Okay, so you can go ahead and explore it, and then you can see that once that you access here, there are so many different things that you can do from, and all the different images are adjusted to different social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook posts and so on. And you're gonna be able to create your own videos. So for example, if whatever you want to do, if you want to create like for example a Facebook post, you could create on Facebook post, and here is gonna allow you to be able to change the color backgrounds, add things as you like, so you're gonna be able to have so many different templates. So the idea of this is you're gonna use this platform to create your own portfolio and be able to promote your services in different platforms. Okay, so once that you do that as well, you can come to for example the templates that we want to look at. Let's have a look at business, for example. So for example, when you click here, if we click for business, let's see what are the examples that will appear. But you can see here there are so many different categories that you can actually look for. And let's go business. And these are templates that you can use and just modify with your brand details. Okay, so as well, if you go to the App Store, you're gonna be able to download these apps as well. You can get a Spark Video, Spark Page, and from here it's gonna allow you as well to get different graphics. You can see that has got 4.7 review. You can come here as well, check out the reviews, and then over here is going to allow you to create like beautiful videos. And as well, if you go into Adobe Spark page, you will be able to create different graphics. And what I want you to do is you're going to be selecting different niches and different industries. So for example, let's say that you're going to focus on the area of fitness, on the area of maybe entrepreneurship, e-commerce, and on the area of let's say like yoga, for example. Okay, so you're gonna build portfolios creating with this software to be able to create, let's say, 50 to 100 posts for each niche, and you're gonna go to Google Drive and you will save this information on different folders, so then you can have access to your portfolio anytime. And you're gonna be uploading your portfolio into different websites where I'm gonna show you where you can get money out of it. Okay, so the website which I want you to go to is the SoundCrowd.com. okay, so the SoundCrowd.com, when you have built your portfolio here, there are so many different freelancers that advertise the services. As you can see, people are gonna if any company needs their business or anything related to a business created, they will come here and they will look for different talent. So what you could do is, once that you have created your portfolio and you have created for some different categories, you could come here and you can search. Obviously there are so many different categories where when it comes to design that you could actually advertise yourself, but what they do is they actually offer different sourcing, where crowdsourcing, where you're gonna be able to get exposed to a competition in order to get some money. Okay, so let me show you. You will go into this design crowd and you can see here there are different contests that you can join, and submit your obviously your design work and then get paid for it. This says $150, here says $150, here it will be like $490. So it's a great opportunity. And to be honest, graphic design, if this is a skill that you haven't mastered yet, I advise you to try to get the better you can with graphic design, because it's the future as well for video editing. I've told you in many different videos before that video editing as well is a great skill, but because today we're focusing on pictures, let's stick with this. So let me show you more. You can get $219. Here you can get $150, $110, $150, $150. So imagine if you just creating all this content that you have in your portfolio and you keep submitting on the daily basis, the chances are that you could actually make hundreds of dollars just from this site. And as well, they do all the type of crowdsourcing, where there are different projects that you could actually submit your application for, or your application, no, but your design to these projects, and then obviously they will review it, and if they like it, that's something they will pay you. You can see here $280, here $90, here $50, here $100. So it's it's very, very good for you to come check it out. And once that you have combined it with this website, like we said, Adobe, that actually allows you to get all this free material that you can use on your portfolio and on your images, and allows you as well to have a limited really access to different pictures. For example, if you go to Adobe Stock, let me show you. In Adobe Stock, there are so many different images that you can get, and you can put so many different niches, and you're gonna find beautiful pictures. So you could start creating your portfolio and then go here and then start applying. So that's one of the ways. Another way which I want to show you is you could actually go to Facebook groups, and as well you could connect with different entrepreneurs that as well offer them your services to promote the social media platforms, because this is something that you can actually do in minutes. So it's great. It's very good that you could utilize these tools so you can be more efficient and get your clients, and obviously don't have to spend hours and hours and hours of your day working on it, when you can do it in 1 or 2 hours, and then you're sorted, and then you're gonna have a profit coming in, and then you're gonna have the financial freedom that you want, and then be able to enjoy the time with your friends and family. Another website which I'm gonna show you, if you go to, for example, Fiverr, then on Fiverr as well, there are so many different projects that you could go for. You could you could post, you know, your portfolio here, and then you could actually have access to it, and people will be able to view it, and then you will have you know, so many different graphics. And this could be another side hustle, you know, because as I say, like, it's not gonna take you that amount of time. And once that you build the 50 to 100 images and you keep uploading a couple of images every couple of days, your portfolio is gonna keep growing, and because of that, then you're gonna have higher chances to be able to get paid for it, you know. Another website which I'm gonna show you is People Per Hour. So People Per Hour, well, it's a website that actually allows designers and graphic designers to come here and earn money. So you can see $215, $45. So a great website. Once that you have your portfolio built, you could come and upload it here. Okay, and the final website I'm gonna show you is Upwork. So Upwork as well is a website that pays very well, and once that you start working with clients and you start building your reputation, you will have more and more work, and everything you could do with that single app that I've just showed you, you know. So guys, this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you implement this strategy and take massive action, and then you can, you know, you can benefit from it and get the rewards and make profit from the different strategies that I have shown you today. Okay, so I hope that you find this valuable. If you did, please give me a massive like, because that will really help the channel to keep improving, so I can invest on it. And you know, with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I hope that you are very successful, and take care now, guys.